what's left of it. The rest likely vanished in a burn barrel.
I don't understand. This is just a bunch of loose names and chemical agents.
It's thin, but all of the pieces fit. Clandestine R&D program, theoretical chemists. The idea was to conceive of new synthetic weapons the U.S. could get ahead of, then create antidote solvents to counter their effects. The only problem with that was, well, they had to manufacture the chemicals to know how to stop them. The CIA, in conjunction with the U.S. military, secretly developed 9 novel chemical agents in a mobile lab, which, as of Friday, has gone missing.
You mean missing? Like it's stolen?
It came in heavy. Killed 2 Marines in the process.
Wow, sounding real familiar right about now.
Can we come down?
Yeah.